It was July, and the weather was hot. Maria and her two friends, David and Clara, wanted to do something special for the weekend. They all lived in a small town, and they usually spent their free time in the park or at the cafe. But this time, Maria had a new idea. "Let's go to the beach," she said with excitement. David looked surprised. "The beach? It's 2 hours away by train." Clara smiled. "That sounds amazing! I haven't been to the sea for a long time." The next morning, they met at the train station. Each of them carried a small bag. Maria had sandwiches and fruit, David brought water and juice, and Clara carried a big towel and sunscreen. They were ready for their trip. The train was full of people. Some were going to work, and some were also going on holiday. Maria and her friends found seats near the window. As the train moved, they saw fields, rivers, and small villages passing by. They talked, laughed, and listened to music. After 2 hours, they finally arrived at the beach town. The smell of the sea was fresh and strong. They walked quickly to the shore, and when they saw the blue water, they all shouted with joy. Maria ran to the water first. She took off her shoes and felt the cold waves on her feet. David and Clara followed her. They played in the water, swam, and collected seashells. Later, they sat on the sand, ate their food, and watched the seagulls flying above them. In the afternoon, the sun became very hot, so they decided to rest under an umbrella. Clara read a book, Maria listened to music, and David took many photos of the sea and his friends. Time passed quickly, and soon it was evening. Before leaving, they walked along the beach one last time. The sun was setting, and the sky was full of orange and pink colors. Clara said, "This is the most beautiful day of the summer." Maria nodded. "Yes, I will always remember this trip." David added, "Next time, let's bring more friends." They returned to the train station, tired but happy. On the way back, they talked about their favorite moments and made plans for the Iowa next adventure. It was a simple trip, but for Maria, David, and Clara, it was a perfect memory of summer.